Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my dear students, welcome back to English Literature class. Today we will study about report text. Let's get started. In this chapter we will discuss about the definition, social function, genetic structure and language features of a report text. The first one is definition. Definition of report text. Report text is a text which explains something in detail. It means that report text merupakan sebuah teks yang mana menceritakan sesuatu secara detail. It is similar to descriptive text, but actually it is different. Teks ini mirip atau hampir sama dengan teks deskripsi atau descriptive text, tetapi itu sebenarnya berbeda. Descriptive text is only describe of what we see, not in more detail. Jadi untuk descriptive text sendiri merupakan teks yang mana mendeskripsikan sesuatu berdasarkan apa yang dilihat saja, tidak secara detail. Sementara untuk report text membicarakan atau mendeskripsikan sesuatu secara lebih detail lagi dan juga secara umum or in general. Report text usually talks about plant, animal, disaster, technology, and many others. Jadi sebetulnya untuk report text sendiri pembahasannya luas ya, akan tetapi dalam bab ini kita akan mempelajari tentang plant, animal, disaster, and technology. Report text is a factual text that provide or present information about something as a result of systemic observation and analysis. Jadi report text sendiri merupakan teks fakta atau teks yang berupa fakta-fakta yang menyediakan atau mempresentasikan informasi mengenai sesuatu berdasarkan hasil dari observasi secara sistematis dan juga analisis. Then the social function. The purpose of a report text is to present information about something generally or to describe about something in general. It generally describes the way things are with the reference to a range of natural, man-made, and social phenomena in our environment, such as mammals, the planet, rocks, plants, countries of region, cultures, transportation, and so on. Jadi tujuan atau purpose of report text is ada dua ya, kita bisa gunakan dua. Present information or to describe something about something in general or generally, seperti itu ya. Jadi bisa to describe about something or to present information about something, but in general or generally. Then the genetic structure of report text are: first is classification or general classification. In this structure, it will stating classification of general aspect of things such as animal, public place, plant, and many others. Then number second is description. In description, it describe or describing the thing which will be discussed in detail. For example, art by customs or deed for living creatures or usage for living creatures and usage for materials and many others. Jadi untuk generic structure itu ada dua. Yang pertama ada general classification dan juga ada description. Pada general classification kita mengungkapkan atau memberi informasi berdasarkan sesuatu itu secara umum ya. Kemudian untuk description-nya baru kita mendeskripsikan apa saja yang ingin kita deskripsikan ya, secara detail tentunya. Next, language features. Bisa dibaca sendiri ya untuk language features-nya yang digunakan dalam report text, diantaranya use of present tense, use passive voice, use of words which generalize. Next, use of relational words, use of descriptive but factual language, and use of relating verbs. And we continue to the example of report text. Here, Mom give you two examples of report text. They are mangrove tree, that being part of plant, and the second one is laptops, that being part of technology. You can read it by yourself. And we continue to the next material or the next discussion. It is about adverbs. Okay, there are some explanation regarding adverb in English sentences. The first one, The adverbs and the adjective in English. Adjective tell us something about a person or a thing. Adjective can modify noun or pronouns. Adverbs tell us in what way someone does something, while adverbs can modify verbs, adjective or other adverbs. Okay, for the example, Mandy is a careful driver. The sentence is about Mandy, the driver, so it used the adjective. Here, careful becomes an adjective. The second one is Mandy drives carefully. The sentence is about her way of driving, so use the adverbs. So here, carefully as an adverb. Number 2 is form. Adjective can be form of regular forms and irregular forms. For the regular form, we only need to add ly or ly after the adjective. For example, dangerous becomes dangerously, careful becomes carefully. Whereas the irregular forms, for example, good becomes well, hard becomes hard. Jadi untuk bentuknya sendiri ada yang beraturan dan juga ada yang tidak beraturan. Untuk yang beraturan kita hanya tinggal menambahkan li or ly. Kemudian untuk yang tidak beraturan itu sesuai dengan kaidah yang telah ditentukan ya. And number 3 is use of adverbs. There are the use of adverb. The first one is to modify verbs. The second to modify adjective. The third to modify adverbs. The fourth to modify quantities. And the last one is to modify sentences. You can read it by yourself. Number 4 is types of adverbs. There are types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverb of time, and adverbs of place. Then the 5, how do we know whether to use adjective or adverbs? For example, John is a careful driver. In this sentence, we say how John is careful. If we want to say that the careful John did not drive the usual way yesterday, we have to use the adverbs. Example, John did not drive carefully yesterday. Here is the another example. I am a slow walker. How am I? Slow adjective. And so on. And the last one, adjective or adverb after special verbs. But adjective and adverbs might be used after look, smell, and taste. Mind the change is meaning. Here are 2 examples. Adjective, the pizza tastes good. How is the pizza? Peter's feet smell bad. How are his feet? Then the adverb, McDonald can taste well. How can McDonald taste? Peter can smell badly. How can Peter smell? And the other. And please don't get confused with good or well. It is a different. Here, good is an adjective and well is an adverb. Jadi untuk penggunaan adjective dan adverb ini sesuai dengan sentensinya atau sesuai dengan kaidah yang telah ditentukan ya. Tadi sudah diberi the forms of adjective or the form of adverb. Tadi untuk penggunaannya formnya ada yang regular, ada yang irregular. Okay, I think that's all my explanation today about report text and adverbs. Thank you for your kind attention. See you next meeting. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.